Okay, so this is a project I'm working on. It's a simple Python script. This is for a collaborative project I'm doing to basically just gather all of the data from like every single competitive match in Team Fortress 2 since 2012 from different leagues, because most leagues had teams push data to a website called logs.tf. So what this program does is it takes a log file and the whole point of the program is it's gonna cut it down to just death events when players die, and we can use that to just list how many deaths actually take place in a match. So if I grab the log file's name here, I go in, so this log's in the same directory, so I don't have to run any directory stuff. So log underscore 27232255.log, and this log is from a TF2 center lobby. So the top of it's gonna have a lot of stuff from TF2 center. All that stuff when the server's running it gets set up. So if I press run, if I press enter, so what it just did then is it read out the entirety of the log. As a matter of fact, if I stretch this on my screen so that no text wraps, which is actually impossible for me to do because of how much data is in each one of these lines. There's a lot of Steam IDs here, including my own. As you can see, it's a lot of data. As you can see, it's finished reading. So if I press enter again, it outputs data. However, there is something different about the data in this example. What it's output now is actually just the lines that involve people dying. So it outputs every single death. And if I were to take this and look at logs.tf, it should tell me the exact same thing. If I scroll back up, as you can see, it outputs every single death. On the left, the first username here is the person that killed. It then says who they killed, what team they were on, what weapon was used, the attacker's position in three-dimensional space, and the victim's position in three-dimensional space. And it outputs that for every single death that takes place. Then here we have the total number of deaths. If I highlight this right here, how many were in this game, and it tells you you've read, and it says have a nice day. So if I press that, and that's that.